Adjustment, most important. And do your own work. Just leave your egos. My name is S.B. Paul. I am 8 years old. I was born in Dhaka. In my case, I try to enjoy everything. In my age, people will say, टीवी में क्या हो रहा है? ये क्या हो रहा है? ये खराब पिक्चर है. I try to enjoy everything. वो साउथ इंडियन पिक्चर हो, ये पिक्चर हो, टीवी का प्रोग्राम I like. Because unless you draw enjoyment for everything. Because previous enjoyment was for environment. When walking down a lane, there are trees, there are birds, there are nothing. Very most important life. To keep relationship, nothing, little bit of sacrifice is required. Little bit of sacrifice. Just leave your egos. ये हमको फोन नहीं किया, वो हमको ये नहीं किया, वो कर दिया तो रिलेशन नहीं रहेगा. Adjustment. Most important. And do your own work. Unless you can adjust with your relatives, with your son, with your daughter. Suppose today I am here. I have to live his life. Here if I tell I will live my life, will they tolerate? They will not tolerate. See, Bihar UP, they give value to their family system. Very much give value. They respect the elders. Am I wrong? Do you agree?
No, I agree. Absolutely.
They are very family-based people. They give lot of respect to elder people. When I went to Bihar, I was in Odisha, Raurkela. I went to Bihar, Bokaro Steel Plant. Educated Biharis, everybody wife को आप बोलते हैं. फादर लड़का को आप बोल रहा है, लड़का फादर को आप बोलते हैं. बिहार का माने बहुत लोगों को बैड ओपिनियन है. एजुकेटेड बिहारी का सो कल्चर सो गुड. घर में जाइए आप, उनका हस्बैंड एक ऊंचा आवाज में बीवी से बात नहीं करते हैं. And you will find lot of Biharis are in very good positions. Their kids are doing well. ये मेरा लड़का था सीनियर स्कूल में, जो भी लड़का, all are in very good position. And they respect elders. I will just advise one thing, because you are all young people. Be careful, be very careful, train your kids properly. Especially when you talk to your missus, give her prestige. उनको आप बोलिए. कभी उसको ये महसूस होने दीजिए you don't respect her. और उसको हमेशा समझाइए तुम्हारा घर, तुम्हारा मामू है, तुम्हारा ये है, फलाना है, ये है, सबसे कनेक्शन रखिए. That will help you in future. अभी क्या आया कि आ गया तो कोई नहीं है, सब खत्म हो गया. ये तो इसका कोई स्पेसिफिक आंसर नहीं है. It is different for different. For me, it's try to extract enjoyment from everything and keep yourself well. Health is most important. If your health is not well, you can't enjoy anything. When your health is well, you can enjoy everything. You can enjoy food, you can enjoy cinemas, you can enjoy everything. And try to extract enjoyment. Don't be too much judgmental. If you are too much judgmental, you will not enjoy it. There are people who are very judgmental. आप एक चीज बोल रहे थे, हम लोगों ने क्या था, we had a joint family. अपना पास फुटबॉल टीम था, अपना पास क्रिकेट टीम था. We used to play together in a courtyard. And I remember my mother, हम लोग जो खाना खाने बैठते थे, बड़ा सा किचन था. My mother never allowed to know who is her actual son and who is my cousins. Very good. We had no difference between father, mother, uncle. And everybody was guardian. Suppose my uncle beats me, my mother will never say, why did you punish him? Everybody was guardian. We used to respect same way to uncle हो ये. अभी तो वो नहीं है, that is not there. अभी ये लोग गलती भी नहीं है, क्योंकि hard days. देखिए, लाइफ को ठीक करने के लिए फर्स्ट पॉइंट, you must wake up in the morning. You must wake up in the morning. The moment you wake up in the morning, your day becomes bigger. Much bigger. You can work much more. And if you don't see the morning, sun is rising, what is your day? You tell me. And you should sleep in time. Unless you sleep in time, there is a hormonal change in the body. अब क्या होगा, you lose temper, अब चिड़चिड़ा हो जाएंगे, आपका बिहेवियर में डिफरेंस आ जाएगा. If you sleep for good till 6 hours, आप देखिएगा मॉर्निंग उठते हो आपको कितना अच्छा रहेगा. You will not feel irritated. आप लोग 2 बजे सो रहे हैं, आप 3 बजे तो क्या होगा बताइए. And always see that your son, daughter, they do their own job. As Bill Gates read somewhere, first listen to your son and daughter. Make your bed.
Make your
bed. अपना बिस्तर अपना बनाओ. आजकल तो क्या बिस्तर से निकल गया, बिस्तर पड़ा हुआ है. In between, I had a vocal cord cancer. But these people, my son and daughter, they have kept us in a complete security. They don't allow us for any trouble. My son has been given me all gadgets, what was possible. Apple computer, Apple phone, AMO, tablet. Still then, sometimes I am unhappy. And why? You may ask why. Relations have completely broken down. They do not have any touch with other relatives. Even yearly once they do not go. I have a house in Calcutta. It is vacant. It is locked. All relatives were there. Even they do not know some people. What happens when relation breaks down? When relation breaks down, you become lonely. Though you feel I am very happy, I have got TV, this thing, that thing, but that cannot bring happiness. Your close people will bring happiness to you.